Sebelum menonton videonya, jangan lupa sana subscribe walan saya. Sana like videonya dan sana share videonya deh. Jangan lupa galak hari ke sana. Selamat menonton. Enjoy.
Pantang paju ama. Nak siapa lah paju Masuk ayu dah Pantang paju. Pak.
Ngancang malam pun dah. Yang tua gila jodoh boleh lepas jumpa dengan ngancang apa je. Hampir je. Dia sekarang diri lo. Ambil dia mula ke. Itu ia jodoh boleh lepas je dengan ngancang itu. Wei, berhenti lu. Dia jojang ni, apa nak ngancang kau? Macam nang nak ngancang kau dia. Sekali ni, Dang solik lah jam berapa lagi nyang Kancang jam buat dah lah jodoh boleh lagi mah. Buat nak jadi pembalap. Pembalap tipu yo lai. So kau tahu lubak sepal dang. Kau pion nang gua. Oh, tiap John. Apa lah? Buat apa masuk sekolah nang malam ni? Kenyak nang tu. Jangan buang kau. Oh, siap John dia ang. Ngancang ikut di.
Iya lah.
Apa ngancang?
Kau nak jadi pembalap?
Pembalap lah jodoh boleh lagi mah. Balap je anak orang dia ngah. Orang nak ketek ko.
Iya lah.
Kalau di kampung jangan kancang amyang.
Jadi dah.
Ziko yo le kasuk kata lubak sepal dang. Bola bawa ke kandi tanang ko yo lain. Rotiak jol diang ne. Bisu ayo kat nak bola bawa ke nondang ne.
Jadi wak si bosok dah.
Boci nyang. Nampak kancang ni langsung. Lipik ang ko. Belok liang lain. Rotiak dia anak-anak ni ye. Apa yang Jangan lihat aku. Awak ikut kadang sakit apa ni? Sakit jantung. Kancang ku. Hampir yang tangan tu. Awak ni membawa dari anak-anak. Asalnya di walan
So much happened here 7 days ago in Spielberg, 10 corners, but full of action. 3 left turns in all. The most prominent of those, the 2 left-handers at turns 6 and 7. Best race lap still stands from last year's winner and last week's winner, Andrea Dovizioso. There are 3 main left turns in all. The most prominent of those, the 2 left-handers at turns 6 and 7. Best race lap still stands from last year's winner and last week's winner, Andrea Dovizioso. There are three main overtaking zones here.
Here's the BMW M Grand Prix of Styria. Pole Espargaro gets a great start on the KTM. So KTM on pole. KTM leave that grid using the penalty loop, if you like, for a bit of an escape road.
Look at ridiculous.
They let it go so late.
What?
So late to that later, but that really has wiped it for Zarco.
Morbidelli out of the
seat indeed.
And Quattro.
The guard's being changed. Nakagami's pole. Nakagami gives pole a little bit of an elbow, was it?
It's Jack Attack.
Jack Attack.
Yeah,
It was Jack. Rins on the 42 bike, but out front, Jack has made it through. So Miller, despite that shoulder, that's really a question of whether it lasts throughout the entire 28-lap race. 28 laps, 75 miles. They're coming to the end of the first 2.6 mile race, that's for sure. And if he can win this one, he will keep up Ducati's honours. Mir finished second last time out here. Performance of things here. The championship leader has got work to do on the number 20. There's Valentino Rossi, middle of your picture. Honda are missing a main man. Marc Marquez is back at home watching this. He's not going to be back to 2 to 3 months.
Wide. Very wide.
TMs at the time. Miller was wide, and then of course, Mir almost went wide and wiped the rear tyre of Jack Miller.
I said at the start he's going to be about pole. Can he convert this pole position? Can he deal with the pressure, Keith, of fighting right at the front?
Agreed with all you talked about, is the man in 6th place. Last corner coming
go
up.
for it.
Miller's going to go.
Oh, it's tight.
This is going to be Marc Marquez and Andrea Dovizioso.
Oh,
that's Guy Coudon and Mathilde, the daughter of Hervé Montreal, jumping up and down.
Mimpi kira. Dah jam 3 weh. Yo dak. Bang balap-balap Honda kandi ni dak. Dan yo nak jadi pembalap dah ni. Kandi mu 3 ni mah. Wah, yo jadi pembalap.
Honda, si koi duit mati Honda, dok mola yang dan jual.